naye esesebenzisa wakhe ama-opinions. Remember, khona ama-opinions a-1 million arepresent umuntu oyedwa, a politician. 1 million opinions yena uwarepresente yedwa. Imagine the same politician if yena enayo opinion yakhe. Shukuthini? Shukuthi noma enayo i-opinion yakhe yena uzomanipulate wonke umuntu ukuthi abelieve ukuthi le yakhe opinion eyabo bonke. This is i-representative. Igama ethi representation, where one person is supposed to represent 1 million people, of which is not even mathematically possible. Ukuthi one represents 1 million, because finally 1 million represent 1 million, but one being also represented in a sonke as a nation. Lo muntu obvious it is bound ukuthi enza ama mistakes. Lokho sikubona ngani futhi ayilete ngisho ukuthi ayinayo proof ngiyayemela. Lokho sikubona ngani? Lokho sikubona because indabeni hlezi kuvela kuthiwa abantu ba corrupt labantu laba. Mase udiga into the corruption abayenzayo, you find out labantu abathiwa abatshontsha imali. How can you be stealing imali engaba pocket money kuwena? Because sina kuthina sithi utshontsha ama million mase sakhala. Sitshontsha ama million. Kanti le i-pocket money labantu le mali kubona. Mase uthola imali abayiholayo bona le mali ayilutho. Fana nokutshontsha ishumi uhola ama-1000. It doesn't make sense ukuthi why beyitshontsha. Then when you look into it, you find out ukuthi the same money le abayitshontshayo bese sebeyitshontshela ukuthi bayihambe beyo-distributor to their nations. What is corruption? Corruption ukuthi if I'm the president of an entire country, South Africa, mina ngithi ngoba ngiyikwaZulu Natalian, sengizohamba ke manje ngifavorishe kwaZulu Natal all the time. That is corruption typically. Ukuthi mina I will keep on favoring my nation over the entire country, over the entire state. I would only focus on KZN because it is where most of my people come from, and ngizothola amavoti amaningi khona. Lokho kwenzani ke lokho ke kukodwa, lokho kuyi-corruption lokho. But mase sibona thina lezi igebengu ehlila phana mase saxakeka ukuthi why is represent igebengu, ingoba i-leadership has been redefined through the previous generations into ukuthi umuntu oyi-leader kumele afavorishe mina as an individual. And how can I be favored as an individual in a nation filled with millions? That is the idea of the corruption, and that is the idea of the democracy esirepresentelwe yona. And mangabe ufunda izwenkosi, you start learning ukuthi khona into uNkulunkulu ahleze yisho kwabantu lapha, ahleze yisho kwabantu. I talked about two things: